Hey, good morning. What's going on? Happy Tuesday. I've got a little project here. My friend Steve has graciously allowed me to borrow his Bobcat to do all my excavation for the new building. And he had these teeth. You can see they're pretty worn down. So he's got these nice new ones. So I'm cutting these off, whacking the side and then knocking them off. See, I just cut the sides of them there. You can see the side, and then I hit them sideways. They fall off pretty good. Anyway, so I'm gonna fix that big old crack too. It's been welded before. They did a good job. It just started cracking again, and that'll crack again after I weld it later on down the line. But we'll get it repaired up. But that was awesome. It's good to have people that help you. Got a Roger Farrell. He's in Butler there. I don't know if you guys know him. You need any welding supplies, he's your man. He's got it all, full service. He takes care of me. He's majorly taking care of me over the last about 30 years. It's Steve, guy that let me use his Bobcat, and Bill Shelton letting me use his shop till I get my shop going. I mean, that's what it takes. It takes all of us. I don't care how bad to the bone you are. You gotta have help, man. That's the way it goes. So that's what I'm doing today, getting this ready, and then I'm gonna start moving this stuff out of here. The yard's still pretty soft, so I gotta watch it. But these axles and my gantry boxes, I'm gonna get all that stuff out of here because all of this ground right here is getting shaved down. You see, I've dug a little ditch here because of the water. If you can see all the dirt, the loose, yeah, you probably can't tell, but it gets in this shop pretty bad because of the way they didn't raise the building up for some reason. I don't know. You can see here. You know, I think I've showed you before, but you know, it's not good. So, but I'm gonna be shaving all this down. I'm gonna shave it down to, I don't know, 2 or 3 inches below this lip right here, and then I'll fill it back in with rock. So the water's got some place to go. Otherwise, always gonna be coming in. Not good. Wet shop sucks. But anyway, all right, now I'm gonna get back to it later.